Siri, what's the name of the guy I had a meeting with a couple of months ago at Cafe Grinnell?
You met Zach Wingate at Cafe Grinnell.
Apple introduced Apple Intelligence at WWDC 2024, promising an AI assistant that would seamlessly integrate into both first and third-party apps, performing complex tasks like context-aware Siri actions. But 6 months later, many of these features are still nowhere to be found. What was supposed to be released in September 2024 has now been delayed to 2026, possibly even 2027. Insiders say the main feature, Siri with context awareness, won't arrive until iOS 20 at the earliest. So what happened? So far, Apple's AI tools like writing assistants, image generation, and emoji creation have trickled out, but these are nowhere near as polished as the competition. Siri is still relying on ChatGPT for complex queries, and features like visual intelligence still rely on Google. The biggest promised feature, Siri's personal context and deeper app integration, has yet to make an appearance. These were supposed to be groundbreaking, but they're still years away. While Apple's AI struggles, Samsung and Google are leaving them in the dust. Samsung's Galaxy AI, launched earlier, offers advanced tools like image editing and context-aware actions. Google's Gemini, which is rapidly evolving, is leagues ahead of Siri. The difference is night and day. Google's Gemini can understand natural language, organize grocery lists, and even help with creative projects. Siri, on the other hand, is still trying to catch up and is often confused by simple requests. And Apple's missed start Apple was late to the AI game. While Google and OpenAI were already light years ahead, Apple's barely managed to get a working prototype out by mid-2024. The AI race was already won before Apple even joined. The real reason behind the delays. It's clear that Apple's approach to AI has been hampered by their late start, lack of AI focus, and privacy concerns. They've been working with ChatGPT and other third-party tools to fill in the gaps. But the big promises? They're still far off. The gap between Apple and its competitors is huge, and the delays and missing features make it clear Apple Intelligence is far behind. Apple promised a revolutionary AI experience, but for now, it's just a letdown. Let's hope Apple can catch up, or it may be left in the dust while competitors race ahead. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Apple, AI, and tech news.